Alright, you guys, today we are doing a Cornell chicken. As you see, we got the chicken already cut up. We got the neck cut out. So we're gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up. We got the mixer blender ready to make the sauce. So we're gonna go ahead and do this and we'll be right back. Back in a minute. This calls for apple cider vinegar, vegetable oil, but I'm gonna use extra virgin olive oil. Salt, pepper, egg, and we don't have a poultry seasoning, so we're using the Outback, which has our purpose seasoning. And I'm going to add a little something to that. I'm going to put some zesty Italian dressing in there. And we'll blend it up. My freezer bag wasn't as big as I thought, so I got to use 2 bags. So, let me adjust this camera here. Raise it up like this a little. I'm gonna pour some in this bag, and then we're gonna pour some in the other bag. All right, back in a minute. See, we got the chicken in the bag now, so we're gonna zip tie it, lock it down. Get the other one. Get some air out. Lock it down. Let these marinate for about 2 hours. Back in a minute. All right, we're gonna spray this Parmesan the grapes so the meat don't stick. And we'll be back. We're gonna got some wood up there, so once the meat gets about done, we're gonna put some wood down in there and let it get a little bit of a smoke. And we're gonna continue this drop smoke, fun time smoke. Back in a minute. All right, guys, I am back, and we are just about 300 on the grill. About 298, 297, somewhere around there. So we're gonna go ahead and put the meat on, and we're gonna get this drop smoke started. So give me a minute, let me set the camera down and get it adjusted, and I'll get the meat and we'll get this meat put on. Glove on here. Bag. We're gonna go skin side down. Looks good, y'all. That's one. That's 2. All right. Y'all can see it's on there. Back in a minute. All right, guys, I am back, and I'm back to let you guys know we're doing this video, this drop smoke video today, due to a subscriber who is a A1 day one. So today, T-Dog, I'm doing this video for you. You asked me to try doing that Cornell chicken, so we're doing that. But first and foremost, I want to thank God for waking me, blessing me, keeping me in my right mind, giving me my health and strength to come forth today and bring you guys this drop smoke, fun time smoke. So with that being said, we got the chicken on the grill, we got it cooking. We're gonna continue this drop smoke video. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's my first time really doing the Cornell chicken, making the sauce for it. I didn't have the poultry season, so I had to improvise and use my own, which is just as good, if not better. So with that being said, back in a minute, guys. We're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of this on there. See how we roll with it. Smells great out here, guys. Man, this smells really good. I also added some Italian dressing to this, y'all. And let me tell you, it smells really good out here right now. All right, we're gonna let that go ahead and do what it do, and then we'll flip it over and do the same thing. Back in a minute. Back and we're getting ready to flip the chicken over so we can baste the inside. See, I repositioned them. Nice color. Oh yeah, nice color. When we flip those around, we're gonna go ahead and baste them. All right, we're gonna let those continue. Back in a minute, guys. All right, guys, this is the final look of the Cornell chicken. My first time making this sauce, but look at the color on there. Look at that. Just look at that. If you guys like the video, hit that like, share, and subscribe. Remember to follow me on Instagram without Back with Chaz, TikTok without Back with Chaz. I appreciate each and every one of you who has been supporting me thus far on my journey. And all the new subscribers who have come aboard, I appreciate you as well. I thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. And this cooked so good, you guys, it came loose from the other part of the chicken. So with that, hope you guys like the video. Put that back for picture purposes, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later. All right, y'all, I am back. And I got a piece of the chicken here. So we're gonna go ahead and try this and see what it's tasting like. Nice and tender. Give it a thumbs up, y'all. I'm gonna have to do it again. I can taste everything. All right, y'all. Catch y'all on the next one. Later.